Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful, cloudy, cold day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today I have a 2020 Chevy Traverse LT. Has a 3.6 liter V6, so you get on average 24 miles a gallon. A 9-speed automatic transmission. This is a one owner and country original vehicle. It has 34,000 miles, so you still have remaining factory warranty. You have power locks and windows and mirrors with blind spot monitoring. You have this black cloth interior with heated seats, dual climate up front. Come up here and you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have front and rear climate control, backup camera. If you have the OnStar data package, you get Chevy Maps Plus, Amazon Alexa, Spotify. Come down here and you have multi-terrain select. This is for road, and then this is for snow or anything like that, snow and gravel. Cruise control, Bluetooth, and your menu settings. You have automatic lights, so you just leave it on auto and they'll turn on and off. Now the Traverses, they're popular because they are third row, and you have this black cloth interior with captain seats in the middle. So you can seat 7. Let's go back here. With the third row up, you don't have very much space, but you still do have a little bit of space for cargo, groceries, or anything like that. It does come with these Chevrolet all-weather floor mats and a mat in the back. These fold down flat with the back here, so if you need more room, you can have it. Remote start, hands-free tailgate. Sorry, hatchback. Sorry, it's cold out here. This thing will not last long. I promise you. We go through a lot of Traverses. We go through a lot of cars in general. We've been here for 30 years in Western Kentucky, Benton, and we are well known. So this thing will not last long. So if you're looking for something like this, my number's down in the description. So there's our website and the social media links. They're also at the end of the video. So if you wait till the end of the video, stick around, go follow our social media links. Our inventory is always changing. If you're looking for a vehicle, always changing. Just follow, like our stuff, keep an eye on it, good to go. But yeah, this thing will not last long. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.